Let me tell you something that happens with so many people. Maybe this has happened to you also. Imagine this, you're watching a movie, maybe scrolling Instagram, and suddenly you hear someone speaking fluent English. And for 1 second, you think, oh, yeah, I wish I could speak like that. Then another thought comes, maybe my English is not good enough. Or maybe this situation sounds familiar. You're in college, work, at a family function, in a shop, talking to a new person, or even in front of friends. You want to say something in English. You know a few words. You even make the sentence in your head, but suddenly you stop because one small fear enters your mind. What if I say something wrong? And just like that, you stay silent. And then later, when nobody's around, perfect English suddenly comes in your mind and you think, yeah, I should have said that. Tell me honestly, has this ever happened to you? If yes, this episode is for you because today we are talking about something that secretly stops so many people from improving. What is that? That is your comfort zone. आप लोग अपने comfort zone से बाहर आना ही नहीं चाहते. Why you are speaking fluent हिंदी? क्योंकि आप लोग comfortable हो. आप अपने comfort zone में हो कि मुझे हिंदी बहुत अच्छे से आती है. मुझे कुछ भी बोलना है मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ बट इंग्लिश इंग्लिश में आपने एक अपना एक दायरा बना लिया यू हैव मेक अ बाउंड्री इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू कि मैं सिर्फ इतना बोल सकता हूँ मुझे बस इतना आता है एंड ट्रस्ट मी ब्रेक इट बिकॉज इट इज मच ईजियर देन यू थिंक मोस्ट पीपल थिंक माई vocabulary is weak, my grammar is bad, I need to learn more words. But honestly, that is not the biggest problem. The real problem is fear. Your comfort zone. Let me explain. When you're alone, can you say simple things in English? Yes. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I need tea. Or maybe more than this. You speak more than this. And see, you already know English. Maybe not perfect English, but enough to start. For example, even though sometimes you're standing in front of a mirror and you're trying to speak English, आपने अभी एक fresh YouTube video देखी है or any English movie and you started talking in English. But why do you freeze in front of people? Because now there is pressure. Pressure, कैसा pressure? Fear of mistake, fear of embarrassment, fear of judgment. And this fear slowly becomes a habit, a comfort zone, where staying silent feels safer than trying. आप लोगों को लगता है चुप रहना better है बेइज्जती कराने से. Let's imagine two people, Neha and Arav. Neha thinks I will speak English only when I become perfect. So she keeps watching videos, learning grammars, vocabulary, but never speaking. Arav thinks my English is not great, but let me try यार. Who cares अगर कोई जज भी कर लेगा even though if someone laughs why do I care I have to improve so I have to speak so he always speaks small sentence sometimes wrong sometimes awkward sometimes slow but he keeps trying. Now tell me honestly after 6 months who do you think speaks better English a person जो सिर्फ videos देख रहा है learning vocabulary because guys think about it. We are learning English since we are a child. स्कूल में हमने ग्रामर पढ़ी है vocabulary पढ़ी है but still we don't know how to speak English. But Arav will improve. Why? Because English is not a subject. It is a habit. And habit grows only through practice. This is the biggest mistake people make. They wait, they think, one day I will feel confident. One day my English will become better. One day I will start speaking. But here is the truth that one day never comes because confidence does not come before action. ऐसा नहीं है आपने 6 महीने वीडियो देखी and then suddenly you will start speaking fluent English. No, it takes time, it takes practice. Think about learning a bicycle one day one. Were you confident? No. You were scared, maybe shaking, maybe falling, but after practice, easy. English works exactly the same way. In the beginning, you may feel awkward, may pause, you may forget words, and that is completely okay. Now, I want you to try something simple, very simple. For the next 7 days, speak English for just 5 minutes daily. In front of mirror, in front of your friend, family, anyone. No pressure. Don't think about grammar. Don't think कि मुझे difficult words ही use करने. Just speak. Talk about your day, your plan, your food, your feelings. Like today I woke up late, I feel tired, I want to eat something good. The weather is nice. Simple, that is enough. Because confidence grows from repetition, not perfection. Now, here is your small challenge. Every day, do one tiny brave thing also. Maybe that will feel a little uncomfortable to you in the starting. Order food in English. If you're going in a restaurant, cafe, you're ordering anything, order in English. Reply in English. Speak one sentence with a friend, anyone. Say one little line. That's all. Small step, big improvement because every time you try, your brain learns. English is not scary and slowly your comfort zone become bigger. So, before ending this episode, I want you to remember one thing: you do not need perfect English to start. You just need courage to try. Mistakes are okay. Speaking slowly is okay. Feeling nervous is okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Even fluent speakers were beginner once. So, promise me something. From today itself, just speak just one sentence in English. Just one before you go. Tell me in the comments what situations make you most nervous in English. Talking to strangers, phone calls, friends, interviews. I really want to understand because I'll make another video of it. I just want to understand that most of the people are scared of what actually. Thank you so much for spending the time with me today. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing because we have to keep growing English. So this is Better English Buddy. Goodbye.